Su-35S stealth multi-role fighter. The Russian Su-35S multi-role fighter is an upgraded version of the Su-27 flanker. Here are some facts about the Su-35S. Multi-role and stealth. The Su-35S is capable of performing a wide range of missions, from space combat to ground attack. It is designed to operate in a variety of combat environments. Performance. The Su-35S is equipped with powerful engines, allowing it to reach supersonic speeds and perform complex flight maneuvers. High long-range attack and self-defense capabilities. Armament. The Su-35S is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons, including air-to-air, air-to-surface, and anti-ship missiles. Stealth features. Although not a fifth-generation aircraft, the Su-35S is improved to reduce the possibility of detection by enemy radars. Although the Su-35S is not completely stealthy, it has some features that reduce the radar cross-section. The fuselage is slightly rounded and the wing design incorporates a minimal sharp contour, reducing the reaction to enemy radar. Although it is somewhat similar to the F-22, its stealth performance is not directly comparable. In addition, the Su-35S is equipped with an Urbisi radar, capable of tracking stealth targets at a distance of up to 90 kilometers, and two AESA radars in the wing routes with X frequencies, where stealth is less effective. The Astute class submarine. The Astute class is a class of nuclear-powered fleet submarines currently in service with the Royal Navy. The Astute submarines can strike targets up to 1,000 kilometers from shore with high precision. They are the first fleet submarines to be designed entirely in 3 dimensions, using computer-aided design technology. With a displacement of 7,000 to 7,400 tons when surfaced and 7,400 to 7,800 tons when submerged. Length, 97 meters. Speed, 30 knots when submerged. Test depth, over 300 meters. Armament, 6x 21-inch 533mm mechanical torpedo tubes, capable of carrying up to 38 Spitfish heavyweight torpedoes and Tomahawk Block 4 cruise missiles. The Astute class submarines are an important part of British naval strategy and are playing a leading role in underwater warfare. Astute Combat Management System, ACMS, an evolution of the Submarine Command System, SMCS. The ACMS receives data from sonar and other sensors and displays it as a visual image on the command console. The Tomahawk missile can strike targets at a distance of 1,600 kilometers with an error of a few meters. The Spitfish torpedo is guided by wire, has a range of 65 kilometers and a speed of 110 km/h. Unique features. The Astute class does not have a traditional optical periscope. Instead, it uses high-tech video technology to scan the horizon. It is capable of generating its own oxygen and circumnavigating the globe entirely underwater. The ZUBR LCAC is a class of Soviet-designed fleet submarines, codenamed Project 1232.2 and NATO reporting name, Pomornik. The ZUBR LCAC is designed to transport marine assault units, such as troops and tanks, from armed or unarmed ships to unarmed shores. It is also capable of transporting and laying naval mines. Armament. For Strela 3 anti-aircraft missile launchers, or 2 Strela 2 missile launchers, capable of firing up to 6 kilometers at Mach 1.5 and a maximum altitude of 2,500 meters. 2 AK-630 nearshore weapon systems with 6,000 rounds each, maximum range of 2 km. 2 Ogarn 140mm missile launchers, each with 22 missiles, for a total of 132 missiles. Can carry between 20 and 80 mines, depending on the type of mine. There are currently 10 ZUBR class submarines in service, including 2 in the Russian Navy and 4 in the Greek Navy. Bell V-22 Osprey. The V-22 Osprey is a tilt-rotor multi-role military aircraft that combines the vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a rotorcraft. It is not only a new aircraft design, but also a new class of aircraft compared to fixed-wing and helicopter designs. The V-22 is operated by the United States and Japan. Operation capabilities: vertical takeoff and landing. The V-22 can take off and land vertically like a helicopter. Speed and range: it combines the long-range capability and high speed of a rotorcraft. Development history. The V-22 began flight testing in 1988, and after a long development process, it entered service in 2007. Applications. The V-22 is used for a variety of missions, including military transport, special forces support, and long-duration missions. The V-22 Osprey combines the capabilities of a helicopter and a rotorcraft, meeting the needs of the military in a variety of situations. E-2C Hawkeye. The E-2C Hawkeye is a carrier-based, all-weather, combat airspace warning and control (AEW) aircraft. It is a twin-engine, 5-crew, high-wing aircraft equipped with a 24-foot diameter radar dish mounted on the upper fuselage. It is the United States Navy's primary aircraft for maritime early warning and control missions. The E-2C Hawkeye shares its basic design with the C-2 Greyhound, but is equipped with a 24-foot rotating radar dish containing the APS-145 radar. Some aircraft have the APS-139 radar. It played a key role in operations such as Enduring Freedom and Iraqi Freedom, providing combat management and airspace control. Mission. The E-2C Hawkeye is a combat airspace warning and control (AEW) aircraft. It monitors airspace, detecting and tracking air and sea targets. Radar. This aircraft is equipped with a 24-foot rotating radar dish containing the APS-145 radar. Some aircraft have the APS-139 radar. This allows it to track multiple targets at once and provide information necessary for airspace operations. Crew. The E-2C Hawkeye has a crew of 5, including the pilot, radar operator, and other specialists. Special features. This aircraft is capable of operating in all weather conditions and is an important part of the maritime battle management system. The HMMWV, High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, also known as the Humvee, is a family of 4-wheel drive, diesel-powered military trucks manufactured by AM General. It has replaced many of the roles previously performed by the original Jeep, and is widely used by the United States military and many other nations. The HMMWV saw action in the 1991 Gulf War and later inspired the civilian version of the Hummer. The original design was unarmored and was later upgraded to withstand improvised explosive devices during the Iraq War. Currently, the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle (JLTV) project has selected the Oshkosh LATV to replace the HMMWV in the United States Premier Military Service. Multi-terrain capability. The HMMWV is capable of traveling on a wide range of terrain, from flat roads to rough terrain, sand, and water. Cargo and personnel capacity. The HMMWV can carry cargo, weapons, and military personnel. The civilian version is also used for cargo transport purposes. Bulletproofing and protection. Some versions of the HMMWV are equipped with armor, which protects the crew and equipment from bullets and improvised explosive devices. Powerful engine. The HMMWV uses a powerful diesel engine, which makes it effective in difficult situations. Easy maintenance and repair. The simple and common design of the HMMWV makes maintenance and repair easier. Disassembly and customization. The HMMWV can be disassembled and customized to suit a variety of uses. Otokar Cobra. The Otokar Cobra is a 4-wheeled military truck developed by the Turkish company Otokar. It has been used in many conflicts and has the following notable features. Bulletproofing and protection. The Cobra is bulletproof, mine-proof, and IED-proof. The V-shaped steel hull provides good protection against small arms fire, gel fragments, and is partially protected against mines and IEDs. The front wheels are designed to deploy when hit to minimize the impact of the blast. Multiple roles and customization. The Cobra can be configured into a variety of vehicles such as an armored personnel carrier, anti-tank vehicle, reconnaissance vehicle, ground surveillance radar vehicle, forward observation vehicle, armored ambulance, and even an assault vehicle that can mount a 12.7mm machine gun or a 20mm cannon. It can also carry anti-tank missiles such as the TOW and Spike missiles, or air-to-air missiles. 1. Versatile mobility. The Cobra can operate on a variety of terrains and even in water. Cobra 2, the next evolution of the Cobra, it is more bulletproof and mine-proof. It also has longer range and increased payload. The Alvis Stormer, commonly known as the Stormer, is a British armoured vehicle, manufactured by Alvis Vickers, now BAE Systems Land and Armaments. It is a development of the ZUBR TU family, which includes the Scorpion, Scimitar, Spartan, etc., with an additional wheel on each side. There are several variants of the Stormer, suited to different combat roles. Stormer HVM, used by the British Royal Army, armed with Starstreak HVM or Martlet missiles for short-term protection against aircraft and missiles. Flatbed Stormer, transport version with a flat platform to carry the Shielder mine-laying system. Stormer 30, a development of the Stormer, a tracked reconnaissance vehicle armed with a 30mm Bushmaster 2 autocannon and capable of carrying TOW-2 missiles. The Alvis Stormer is bulletproof, mine-proof and IED-proof. The V-shaped steel hull provides good protection against small arms fire, gel fragments, and to some extent against mines and IEDs. The front wheels are designed to deploy when hit to minimize the impact of the blast. The Alvis Stormer can operate on a variety of terrains. The Kamov Ka-52 helicopter, also known as the Alligator, is a Russian two-seat military helicopter. Considered a two-seat version of the Kamov Ka-50, the Ka-52M has the following highlights. Integrated LMUR anti-tank missile. The Ka-52M is equipped with a new LMUR anti-tank missile with a strike range of up to 15 kilometers. With this missile, the crew can attack targets from a distance and quickly launch missiles at Ukrainian targets from outside the range of Kiev's defenses. LMUR, Light Multipurpose Missile. The LMUR is a lightweight, all-weather, multipurpose guided missile. It can be integrated into many Russian helicopters, including the Kamov Ka-52. The LMUR has twice the parameters of most NATO air defense weapons supplied to Ukraine, allowing the Ka-52M to attack targets outside the range of Ukrainian defenses. Precision strike performance. Ka-52M carried out a precision strike with upgraded missiles, destroying Ukrainian command centers and armored vehicles. The Ka-52M helicopter is being deployed in a special military operation in Ukraine, and it has demonstrated its superiority on the front line. The Tupolev TU 95, NATO reporting name, BER, is a heavy strategic bomber and cruise missile carrier. Built in the Soviet Union during the Cold War, the Tu-95 has been in service since 1956 and will remain in service with the Russian Air Force until at least 20401. It is the only turboprop-powered aircraft in service and the fastest in service. The Tu-95 has a 35-degree swept-back wing, which gives it speed and range. Powered by 4 Kuznetsov NK-12 turboprop engines, it is capable of carrying cruise missiles and performing a variety of roles, including missile delivery, maritime patrol, Tu-142 version, and even civil passenger aircraft, Tu-114 version. The Tu-95 is one of the loudest military aircraft, especially due to its propellers moving faster than the speed of sound. It is a symbol of the Soviet Union's combat capabilities and remains an important part of the Russian Air Force.